The Uganda National Oil Company has linked investment portfolios with the Kenya Pipeline Company in a bid to increase oil supply on the East African market by expanding available transport routes.
We want to also support UNOC in terms of the storage constraints that they face at the port of Mombasa. So we are looking at the possible acquisition of some storage capacity so that UNOC also has a fallback position in terms of storage of their product.
This market is actually very quite rapidly. It's growing, at least from the whole market, it's growing at 20% as of 2025, and it's going to continue into about average of 6% in 2026. The Kenya will remain more or less the same at 5%, and the other market is also growing is Rwanda. From 6.5, it's expected to grow at about 7.6 this current year.
As the key pipeline company plans to establish its footprint in the Ugandan economy, the company intends to create platforms to attract public investment through an initial public offering, with 20% of shares listed for purchase by the East African community population.
The government's role should be regulatory. We provide regulation and policy, two things, policy direction and regulation. So as a country, we are making conscious decision to free and release more of what we own to the private sector. And that will deepen our capital markets, because there is space, there is a place where we invest.
The Kenya Pipeline Company is targeting to leveraging the growing demand for oil in the region in order to maximize supply through this collaboration and improve inter-country trade relations.
We still see that the demand for transportation fuels will grow through 2050. Of course, as we do that, we are cognizant of other policy interventions. So I want to comfort all of us to continue investing and planning judiciously for the next 20 years.
That we are working very well with the capacity to make sure that the demand that is needed to supply the Ugandan market is met. And also maintain in front of the OMCs here whom we serve, that our wish is for KPC to improve on the capacity and with the efficiencies so that we can meet the demand.
With the first consortium of oil production expected this year, the partnership is expected to ensure strong future trade collaboration among countries and facilitate technological knowledge transfer in oil refining. Abdunasir Lubwama and Rogers Komagum for UBC.